This video is dedicated to all those who love celebrations. So let's have a closer look.
Viva Sao Joao! Today is Sao Joao and see that lovely it is, and you'll get to see each and everyone except me because I'm shooting copels and we'll talk about Viva Sao Joao and Sao Joao Festival more. This is SIOLIM.
24 June every year is Sao Joao Festival celebrated across Goa. SIOLIM being most popular. 25 kilometers from Panjim. Hundreds of people gather in front of St. Anthony Church at SIOLIM to witness galore of celebration in Anjuna River. Again, that's our very favorite, one of the very prominent influences from Goa, Amar Babu Phataskar. And we can see celebrations everywhere, dance, performances, mimicry, singing, and yeah, there are so many surprises and prizes distributed among people like gold coins and so many other gifts, spot prizes.
To the side of the stage, and you win a gold coin.
Traditionally, new son-in-laws visit Sao Joao Festival where they are crowned with copels and introduced to villagers. And then they jump into the well, and this is considered a good luck. These are traditional boats and that are rowed in river. Saint John the Baptist, of 6 months in his mother's Elizabeth's womb, took leap after hearing that his relative's mother Mary would give birth to Jesus. Jumping in well is leap of joy.
Well done. Viva Sao Joao. Viva Sao Joao. इतल्या जे एनरोलमेंट जालो तुमच्या चोडून कातरां म्हणटा आनी ताचे कुल्ल्यो बॉम्बेचो कॅनी कुल्ल्यो कातार कशें गायले ताजें गायन हांव तुमकां गावन दाखयता बॉम्बेचो कॅनी तातूंतलें नांव
During the festival, a cross is crowned with copels. So this celebration is all about coming together and celebrating together. Viva Sao Joao! So stay tuned to Namrata's Travel Trails for more such videos, and I know you will share and you will love it. So share your love by spreading it and liking it, and don't forget to subscribe to Namrata's Travel Trails.